Hey everyone, welcome back to the part 2 of Hackathon 101 series. So in this particular video, we will be talking about the judging point of view, how to melt the judge heart through this particular video. And also we'll talk about criteria that every hackathon you should follow to build or to ace that particular hackathon. So let's start with the video. The point number 1 is the features. So in every hackathon, we often see this. People are focusing on multiple features and they are not able to complete a single features. So this is very turn off point for judging point of view as well as in hackathon point of view. So make sure from your next hackathon, you should build at least 1 to 2 features into your project rather than thousands of ideas, thousands of features, because judges are very much interested to the working model, not your PPT that you are building. Second point is creativity and innovation. Often we see like people are only based on healthcare, or maybe they are building a scholarship portal. So this is very common projects. So if you want to stand out your project, you have to make some creativity into your particular things. Don't rely on the traditional methods like healthcare management or voting system or attendance management. Don't build this kind of stupid project. Try to build some unique aspect that can help in the real world, real industry. So it's very important to build some creative project. Third point is technical complexity. So if you are using only HTML, CSS, it will not attract your judges. Why? Because all the judges are mainly focusing on the trendy technologies. So if you can use some trendy technologies like AI agents, you can use blockchain into your project, it will give you an edge to shine in front of everyone, because everyone loves text. So if you are using backdated PHP sites, it will not give you any kind of edge. So last point is presentation and pitching. So if you only focusing on the PPT, it will not help you a lot. You have to focus on your working model, working diagram. And at the end, you can end up your presentation with the eye-catchy line called future scope. So this is about the judging point of view, the judging criteria that all the hackathons are, based out of. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further question regarding the judging criteria, do let me know in the comment section. And you can also join the RiseIn Telegram community where you can directly reach out to us and we can have a one-to-one conversation. So thanks a lot everyone for watching. See you in the next video. In that particular next video, we'll be talking about some basic tech stack that can help you to ace your next hackathon. Thanks a lot everyone for watching. Bye-bye.